How to create an artist profile on Spotify. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can create an artist profile on Spotify. Simply come on to artist.spotify.com/home, and then you guys are gonna see this page. So over here you guys can basically see all the different features that they offer you. They give you some of the best features, and over here you can also see how you can build your audience at any stage, and you will be able to make money on Spotify and of course monetize yourself and make your music really popular. To get started, click on the top right on get access, and then after that simply click on artist or manager, and then after that it's going to basically ask you just a few more questions, and then now from over here just simply log in with your Spotify account, and then from over here click on continue, and then you will be able to claim your Spotify profile. So now from over here, because I have an account on Spotify that I use for listening, it's asking me to claim my profile. But for you guys, it's gonna ask you guys to basically get started with a brand new account, and using that account you guys can basically create your artist profile and you will be able to get started with that. So guys, that is basically how you can create an artist profile on Spotify. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.